Hey there! Congratulations on your purchase of AI SmartNews. You've just purchased AI SmartNews and you seem to be very serious. Look, you've already made a great decision by getting your hands on AI SmartNews, which lets you create stunning news websites in your desired niches. But before you get started, you must hear this important message. See, what you have right now is awesome, but you're still limited. Right now, you can only create a limited number of news websites to a limited number of niches. In other words, you're currently limited to very few news websites. Will they make profits and sales? Of course. However, you'll be stuck with certain limitations. Just imagine what would happen if you could get the Unlimited Edition, which unlocks all the limits from your account, such as unlimited news sites creation, unlimited premium website templates, unlimited niches, unlimited web hosting, unlimited premium themes, unlimited commercial license, and so much more. Well, in other words, this unlimited AI SmartNews Max Edition lets you unlock everything and drives limitless traffic, sales, and profits, while giving you a massive unfair advantage over other members of AI SmartNews. However, we are offering this no-brainer deal to the first 25 people, and we put these limitations in place to prevent saturation and our servers from freezing. If we didn't take these precautions, AI SmartNews could be gone for good, which would massively disappoint our paying customers. And that's why we've decided to make this offer an exception for a small group of 25 individuals. And on this page only, you'll be able to remove all limitations from your AI SmartNews account, which ensures that you're extracting the most out of AI SmartNews. And here's where it gets even better. Look, just like the front-end version of AI SmartNews, I'm going to place all the risk on my end. When you upgrade to AI SmartNews Max Edition, you have a full 30 days to get your money back. If you feel like it's not worth it or we wasted your time for any reason, we'll happily refund every penny back to your payment method. No hassles, no hoops to jump through. We've got you covered. There's no way to lose here. So hurry up, don't delay any longer. Once these 25 spots are gone, doors will be closed forever, which means if you come back, this page could be pulled down from the web. You'll lose the ability to create unlimited news sites in unlimited niches. You'll be limited to the number of premium themes and templates. You will be limited to the number of website hostings. You'll be losing so much money on the table. Do you really want to regret missing out? Then the best thing you can do is click the button below before it's too late. I'll see you inside. Listen up. I bet you've never seen anything like this before. But before that, once again, I want to thank you for your successful purchase of AI SmartNews. You're just moments away from accessing it. Look, there's no doubt that AI SmartNews is going to be your best ever decision in 2023. However, there are some monetization configuration involved inside the account, which is required to print money for you, like Google AdSense, banner ads, and so much more. Is it incredibly hard? No. As promised, AI SmartNews is easy to use, but the work is still daunting, even if it's minimal. So what if we monetize your news websites? What if we set up, configured, and fine-tuned your AI SmartNews account with proven and high-converting banner ads and Google AdSense ads, so it's ready to start cranking out profits right away, all while you relax? We'll work hard so you can sit back and count the cash. This is the perfect offer for you if you're low on time or tend to procrastinate. Sound like something you'd want to do? Here's your chance. Introducing AI SmartNews Automation. We'll monetize your account with 10 plus different ways. All you need to do is attach your PayPal account to collect the payments. We'll place the proven banner ads. We'll do the proper AdSense monetization. We'll set up your account so it's guaranteed to start flooding you with profits. We'll save you time by getting it done for you. Well, it's a surefire path to success without doing the work yourself. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Get the AI SmartNews automation set up. Click any of the buttons on this page to claim your copy of AI SmartNews Automation. Step number 2. Let us set up your account monetization. We do all the work for you and fine-tune your AI SmartNews account with the right monetization techniques like Google AdSense, banner ads, etc. Step number 3. Start getting profit and sales. Watch as the repeat ads payments begin to flood your accounts at rapid speed. And just like the front-end version of AI SmartNews, I'm going to remove all risk from this decision by giving you a full 30 days to make sure AI SmartNews automation is for you. In the unlikely event that you encounter any technical issues, that we are unable to rectify quickly, simply contact our friendly support desk for a hassle-free refund. The customer is the king in our house. However, there is a big catch. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but this offer will not be available forever. That's because our team can only handle so many automation monetization setups. After all, we are human too, not some lab-generated monkey who works 24/7. With that taken into consideration, we are opening only 10 spots for this offer. You now have the chance to let us do the work for you, so you can sit back and count the cash. Just imagine your bank account balance increasing instead of decreasing. Feels good, right? So what are you waiting for? Click the button below now to get started. I'll see you inside.